Thank you. Got my Fieldpiece meter that is messing up. Sometimes can get it to work, but I noticed if I move this around, then it'll work. If I move it back, sometimes if I push it down, I can get it to work. But it seems loose in this one. And what I noticed is, wow, that's completely loose. And I noticed that side is normal. Oh. Let's see. I'm not sure if this was always loose like that. I don't think so. So I'm going to take it apart, take a look here. Let's see. Go a little deeper. Got a tiny bit of time today. Let's take a look. I've heard that you can send this back to Fieldpiece for like 35 bucks and they'll fix it for you. There we go. I wouldn't mind to do that if it doesn't work out. There we go. Should probably check in here. See if there's another screw on there. There we go. Yep. Okay, something came out. Let's see. Around the common. Oh gosh. There it is, right there. Oh, it just screws in. Look at that. It looks like that just unscrewed. Ha ha ha, look at that. Look at that. Probably all I need to do is re-screw this in. Now I'll bet you if I separate it, I'll be able to get in there a lot easier. And now that explains maybe why it, let me see if I can separate it. I don't want to go too crazy, just crazy enough to fix it though. Come on, buddy. There we go. There it is. All right. Now look, I see a spring here. Okay. and it looks like a nut here on this one. Oh, look at that. There's the nut. So I'll bet you this goes down inside, and we just tighten the nut on the back here. Yay! I think I saved myself 35 bucks. I think I will have fixed my meter. That's great. Great. Tighten that a little bit. This was I'm gonna tighten this one too while I'm here. It's been my favorite meter. And I got another meter, but I missed this one because this one worked out so well for me for all these years. Alright, it looks like this little rubber washer was maybe in the top there. Alright, well, actually I need the batteries back in first. Looks like we do not need the batteries for these. These were the longer screws in this end, so I'm going to put those back together first, and then I can pop the battery deal back out. Oh, I'm really glad. Although I shouldn't celebrate too early. But now it makes sense to me why when I was pushing this down, or why sometimes it would work and sometimes it wouldn't. You know, again, I shouldn't celebrate too early, but I am pretty sure it's not my favorite battery compartment. There we go. Okay. Batteries that way, and it shows this way. That's weird. The nub is actually showing that way. Okay, so before I get too far, there we go. All right. Okay, and this little deal was under there. Okay. These were here. Okay. I think again, I might be celebrating too early, but so I had bought new test leads, thinking maybe the test leads were bad, but I think now that's all this was. So here we go. Yay! Move those around. It's all fixed. Fixed my Fieldpiece meter. Yes! Alright. Yay! Very glad for that. Alright. Alright. It was pretty obvious once I took it apart, but done deal. Alright, thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Hopefully that helps somebody out there. Fieldpiece meter, all fixed. Well, I was so glad to have fixed this thing, but fix did not last for long. Look, it's loose already. It's weak in there. So let's take a round 2. This time I think I can leave the battery in. Not sure. Let's find out. And yeah, there we go. Okay. So there it is. See if I can tighten that up, and maybe I just didn't tighten it enough. Maybe it's stripped out. Maybe I just didn't tighten it enough. It does seem to hold. So that's good. Alright, well, I better get the other one while I'm here. There we go. Okay. Here we go. Hopefully it holds up better now. I was all happy, and then today I went to use it and I was like, wait a second. So, but hopefully that's all. Let's see. You know, it's kind of one of those things that I thought maybe I didn't want to over tighten it, but there we go. Seems good now. Oh yeah, nice and solid. So, let's see how it goes. Good. Alright, I think that's going to be much better. Alright, I was thinking to be gentle with it when I tightened it, so looks like you got to be a little bit more aggressive, so see how it goes. Alright. At least at this point we know what it is, and should it come loose again, can go use like a thread locker or something like that, you know, or if that piece had to be replaced, then that piece had to be replaced, but at least now I've identified. But I think it's going to be good now as opposed to yesterday. All right.